Hello, students of Standard 10. Once again, welcome in this YouTube channel of Mount Brescia. We are here once again with the same chapter in English poem, the Ball poem. We have already completed the chapter stanza wise, line wise. The only thing which we were going now was the summary of the poem. Up till now, we have seen that the boy has lost his ball in the harbor. The ball which he can bought again, that type of ball he can buy again. But he wanted that ball. Anybody can purchase that ball for him. But the poet says no need to buy the ball for him because the boy has now started understanding the epistology of loss. The boy started realizing that whatever he has lost, that cannot be bought back or brought back again. With money, everything cannot be purchased. I have told you, here the ball is symbolizes with the childhood of the young persons. The childhood which we have lost, which we have gone through, which we have came back from, cannot be purchased once again with the money. Now, but there comes a change in his mood. Whose mood? The boy's mood. And thinking changes his mood and thinking. He realizes that in this world the loss is a part of the game. Loss is a part of the game. Loss is a part of life. He must take such losses. He must take such losses in life in his stride. Means in the walk of life, such losses will come, such losses will go, and we have to live with that. We should understand, we should accustomed with this system of living. Achievements will follow losses in life. Achievements will follow losses in life. Means in Hindi it can be called as उपलब्धियों के बाद नुकसान भी होता है. With the coming up of the achievements, there will be some losses, and you should also be understand, try to accept this loss. And a thing that is lost once cannot be retrieved or brought back. You can purchase that, not that, any other thing, but it cannot be brought back and it cannot be purchased too. Same thing. Money cannot buy the lost childhood, the lost dream, and the lost feelings back. Whatever the feelings, these are all abstract now. Feelings, emotions, dreams, which you have lost will not come back again. You cannot purchase it through money. Money is external to such losses. Money can replace that aspects of life with something else, but not that particular thing. But not with that particular thing. The poet gives a message of hope and encouragement. Ultimately, he comes out of the depression and hopelessness. Who? The boy. Because he has understood the epistology of the loss. He has to learn how he should stand up and bear the loss. Every human being, through that child who has lost the ball, the poet wanted to give the message that everybody should stand up to bear the loss in his or her life. The theme of the poem is that life is precious and should not be wasted. Whatever the life you are dealing with at present, whatever the life you are just at present, at the moment, whatever life you are facing, whatever the situation you are facing in life, that thing, whether it is good or bad, it will not sustain forever. It will last one day. Time wait for none. So you try to enjoy the present time. Life has to be lived. Life has both the aspects, poor, bad and good, richness and poor, loss and achievements. And life can be lived purposefully and fruitfully only when we stand up and come out of depression. If we are always in depression, or if you always think what has passed is good, what it is with me, it is not sufficient, you will never be happy. Whenever you are having something, you are sustaining life with something, suppose in this condition of pandemic condition of this corona, there are many people who are facing different types of situations in their life. But if we only think about ourselves, that we cannot have this, now I cannot purchase this, now my child cannot purchase this, just you think those persons who cannot purchase at all anything. You have to live with the situation of the life, whatever the situation it is. And if you can accustomed with this, you will be always happy. Don't think about what it is not with you, but always be satisfied with the thing God has given to you. Be satisfied and enjoy your life with what you have. Something God has given to you, something God has given to the others. So, if you are accustomed with the living habits of the present situation nicely, he will never be depressed. So, the poet says that life can be lived purposefully and fruitfully only when we stand up and come out of depression. This is a very good line told by the poet. So this is the end of the poem. It is a moral poem. These are all moral values each and every person's know. But the situation compelled them to forget this. But if you remember these things in your life, you will be never depressed. So try to follow this practically in your life. Don't get depressed, my dear students. If you are failed in any class, if somebody fails in any class, that is not that his or her life stops there. Full stop means a beginning of a new sentence. Okay? Stay safe, stay home, and stay safe. Till then, thank you.